The Artificial Sky at the Urban Institute Ireland, UII, at University College Dublin, is the first of its kind in Ireland and one of the very few in the world. Its purpose is to offer architects, town planners and research students a world-class facility to study the lighting effects of different sky conditions on real models of buildings and town sections. The system can offer an accurate evaluation of the level of light inside and outside buildings, the position and nature of shadows, and the presence of reflection between buildings. These effects can be readily simulated for different positions of the globe, different days of the year, and different times of the day. Full-day simulations can be carried out within one or a specified number of minutes. Each lamp is individually dimmed by means of a computer. The computer has a record of several standard and an unlimited number of user-defined sky conditions which it uses to generate a unique set of lighting intensities. From concept to on-site commissioning, we offer turnkey solutions to automation requirements. The heater rod test station at Borg-Warner Baru tests all parts for insulation and performance, as well as automatically handling parts. The test sequence is automatic, and passed parts are placed in a gravity conveyor, whilst failed parts are returned to the local point. Textile 2020, a revolutionary device which very accurately and very swiftly solves an age-old industry problem: how to count stitches as cloth is being made. From wave power to textile applications, FAL.ie has many years of research and development, application, and most importantly, innovation. From prototype to finished product is often a long and sometimes laborious experience, but at FAL we will guide you through every single step along the way. Factory Automation Limited is Ireland's leading developer in the state-of-the-art of manufacturing technology. From concept to on-site commissioning, we offer turnkey solutions to automation requirements. All monitored data is logged to file, together with the batch number and time and data stamp, so test results can be traced at any time in the future. Factory Automation Limited. From practical applications to visionary solutions. Please look us up at FAL.ie. We offer turnkey solutions to industry in the areas of special purpose machines, automated material handling machines, automated test systems and vision systems. Factory Automation Limited is Ireland's leading developer of state-of-the-art manufacturing technology. We offer turnkey solutions to industry in the areas of special purpose machines, automated materials handling machines, automated test systems and vision systems. As well as hardware, we supply complete IT solutions. Industries served include the electronics, medical devices, pharmaceuticals, power generation, process, printing and textile sectors. FAL has many years of research and development, application and most importantly, innovation. From practical applications to visionary solutions, we are Factory Automation Limited.